All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Caravan. This is the Grand Caravan XLT model with 10,000 miles, beautiful black with black leather interior, alloy wheels, roof racks, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage. Just go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim, very nice. Got my finger pinched up here, folks. There we go. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 830 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread, whenever I can get there, is just a hair under 730 seconds. Here's a shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Got that two-tone leatherette with like a suede interior. It's a powered seat. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on this vehicle. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff that's obviously working. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light and your mileage of 10,707. Gonna need some gas, but I will put some gas in there. You don't have to worry about that. All right, keeping it moving. Your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your on the third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. I know my light died here, but we get rear AC controls and rear AC vents running on the roof there. A little power button that closes that. Coming back around, your rear bumper looks pretty darn decent. Your rear hood, doesn't have a rear hood, folks. Your liftgate looks great. Rear trunk space, very nice. These seats do go down, as the car says, stow and go. A little power button there that closes this liftgate. Quarter looks fantabulous. Rear passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is at 630 seconds. Let me double check it. Boom. Yeah, actually at the line of 7. Still gotta say it's on there. These are the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Another little power button here closes this door. This door looks good. This front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, very nice. Tire thread is over 830 seconds. Check it out. Your lights are all working. Things are running. Car is great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 10,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.